crave this cherry pie filling. This is so yummy. And this is what I'm gonna use to make this dessert. And I did post this cherry pie filling, so if you didn't see that, make sure to check that out. Or you can use canned cherry pie filling from the store. But this is what I'm gonna use. Now let's go ahead and get started on this. And this is what you'll need. You'll need a block of cream cheese softened, 1 small box of instant vanilla pudding. I have a large box here that I used half of the vanilla pudding for a recipe, so I'm gonna utilize this box. But you will need 1 small box. You can use the cheesecake pudding mix, which would make this so much better, but I don't have that. So we're gonna use this. Go ahead and add that. 1 8-ounce tub of whipped topping. I saw this recipe and I just had to give it a try. I've been wanting to make a cherry fluff. This one looked amazing. Turn your mixer on low and we're going to blend these ingredients together. The original recipe calls for a 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows, but I've got about a half a bag and I need to utilize them, so that's all I'm gonna put in. Now we're gonna add the cherry pie filling mix. Yum! This calls for a whole can of cherry pie filling mix. Yum! Okay guys, how do you go wrong with this? This would make a great dish for a family gathering. Let's see what this tastes like. Oh my goodness. This is so good, y'all. You could even put nuts in this, maybe some pineapple, but let me tell you, it's perfect the way it is.